Get ready to breathe in adventure. The Amazon rainforest is calling. Located in Brazil, the Amazon isn't just a forest, it's a vibrant, living ecosystem. Often called the lungs of the earth, this dense jungle is home to an incredible array of wildlife. Imagine walking through a forest so massive, it can produce 1 out of every 5 breaths you take. From exotic birds to mysterious jaguars, the Amazon is a treasure trove of life and wonder. Exploring this vast wilderness is more than just a trip. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Whether you're kayaking through winding rivers or hiking under the canopy, the Amazon offers an adventure like no other. So, if you're a travel enthusiast looking for your next big adventure, why not take a journey through the Amazon? Your lungs will thank you.